Okay, here's the thing. First, I got to figure out where to cut. And I'm definitely not cutting into logs, trying to figure out on the way back. I'm just going to hope this is roughly the bottom of the beehive. We can see, we got to cut right at the top here. You can see the honeycomb in there. So, I don't know, here or there. You'll see wherever I start cutting. Now, my next problem was, what safety gear do I wear? I forgot earplugs, but I obviously can't wear my helmet with this thing on. I figured this will stop some stuff, but I absolutely always wear safety glasses. And then, of course, we need more safety gear, like a smoker.
This is great, so that the smoke will make the bees a lot more docile. It makes them think there's a forest fire going on, so they end up going deep into the hive to try to eat as much honey as they can. And that obviously a full belly, just like with humans, makes them a lot more docile.
Fat and lazy bees are good when you're attacking their home. Clear? Okay. Well, I cut through part of the hive. Ugh. Oh, they haven't gone nuts yet. Okay.
Want me to go get my bee suit on to help?
Yeah, please go get your bee suit on.